It seems like there is no end to COVID woes in China. In the latest, the country has placed around 1.7 million people under virus lockdown in the eastern province of Anhui. Now, this comes after the province reported nearly 300 new cases in the last 24 hours, half of which are asymptomatic. Anhui reported hundreds of cases last week, which raised alarm in the region. Following this, the Sichuan and Lingbi counties in the province announced lockdowns. 1.7 million residents of the region are only permitted to leave their homes for getting COVID tests done. Authorities have now brought in a sixth round of mass testing in the province to track and trace the extent of the virus spread. Today's infection count brings the total cases in the region to over 1,000. The provincial governor has urged local authorities to implement quick screening and rapid quarantining of infected people. Meanwhile, the neighboring province of Jiangsu has reported 56 new infections in 24 hours. Though the total number of cases remains low in relation to China's population, the zero COVID policy has plunged millions of people into lockdown yet again. The latest outbreak in Anhui comes after the Chinese economy had started showing signs of recovery from the months-long lockdown in Shanghai. Beijing was also not spared from the strict COVID restrictions. From targeted lockdown to mass testing, China imposed some of the hardest COVID regulations since the start of the pandemic. This is part of China's zero COVID strategy. The regulations came as China witnessed one of the worst COVID flare-ups since its initial outbreak.
WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.